Success breeds happiness, and happiness is the product of hard work and patience. So, with these great lines, let's begin our morning assembly. As you all know, every event starts with a prayer. Prayer purifies our mind and soul. It takes away the negative thoughts from our mind. So, hold your hands and start the morning prayer. Thought can change your whole day. So, I would like to call Alina to present today's thought.
Good morning, everyone. Today's thought of the day is patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. I repeat my thought patience is not the ability to wait, but the ability to keep a good attitude while waiting. Thank you.
Learning a new word every day is a good habit and it increases our knowledge. So, for today's word, I would like to invite Aryan.
Today's word of the day is endurance, spelled as ENDURANCE, meaning the ability to do something for a long time. Sentence: running a marathon is a test of human endurance. Thank you.
As you all know, the theme of our morning assembly is importance of patience. So, I would like to call Ifra to elaborate her views on the topic.
Good morning, everyone. Today I am here to speak about patience. There is an old saying that patience is bitter, but its fruits is sweet. This tells us the importance of patience in our life. Patience is the ability to remain calm and composed in the face of challenges, delays, or difficulties. Patience plays a crucial role in focusing the long term objective in a person's life. It helps a person to make choices that are rational instead of emotional. Anger and stress are two things that are enough to run a person's health, and patience is the antidote to both the illness. Being patient, you can overcome any challenges, any situations with more flexibility and in a better way. It helps us build empathy towards other people. The more you are patient, the more people view you as a positive person. To practice patience, we should have a clear knowledge about your goal, manage your emotions, keep a journal, keep a journal on writing your patience and impatience. Not be in a hurry. Remain yourself. Remind yourself that things takes time. Accept the unexpected. Always remember that you will get the things you will want. Thank you.
Facts enhances our knowledge and keep us upgraded. So, for facts, I would like to call Vaishnavi.
Good morning, everyone. The facts are first, the oceans produce the majority of the oxygen on the earth. Second, a cloud weighs around 1 million tons. Third, human teeth are the only part of the body that can't heal themselves. Fourth, about 75% of the human breed is made up of water. Fifth, the giant squid has the largest eyes in the world. Thank you and have a nice day.
Is there any birthday celebration today? Updating ourselves with the current happenings is a good habit. So, for the current news headlines, I would like to call Sarthak.
So good morning everyone. Today I Sarthak Yadav is here to inform you with the latest happening around the world. Some international news. North Korea conducts the trial of new ballistic missiles near the coastline of South Korea. TikTok says its ban in US is the violation of free speech. Some national news. Courts reject Kejriwal's appeal for temporary release and fine $75,000 on him. Election Commission calls repolling in 8 stations of Arunachal Pradesh. Some sports news. In CSK versus LSG IPL 2024 match, LSG defeated CSK by 6 wickets. Weather report: maximum temperature 38 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 22 degrees Celsius, humidity 24%. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Every beginning has an end. Now we have reached to the end of today's assembly. Now let's conclude our assembly by singing the national anthem.